Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest tech products. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Xmenha Small Invisible in-ear wireless single earbud. Let's start with the design. The Xmenha earbud is incredibly small and lightweight, making it perfect for those with small ears. Its ergonomic design ensures a stable and comfortable fit, whether you're running, dancing, or wearing glasses. The Xmenha earbud uses the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology, providing a more stable connection for uninterrupted music enjoyment. With a range of up to 10 meters, you can move around freely without worrying about signal drop-offs. One of the standout features of this earbud is its impressive sound quality. It's equipped with patented speaker and acoustic cavity technology, delivering high-quality audio with minimal sound leakage. You can immerse yourself in your favorite music without disturbing others around you. Despite its small size, the Xmenha earbud offers an impressive 30 hours of listening and talking time on a single charge. It only takes 1 hour to fully charge, ensuring you're always ready for extended use. The Xmenha earbud is incredibly user-friendly. It automatically powers on and connects to your device when you take it out of the charging case. Putting it back in the case will initiate charging and power off the earbud, making it hassle-free to use. Now, let's talk about the price. At just $19.99, this earbud offers fantastic value for money, especially considering its features and performance. If you're interested in more color options or similar products, the Xmenha brand offers variations of this earbud, like the purple version, providing some flexibility and choice. Inside the package, you'll find the earbud, a charging cable, and a user manual, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. You can find this product on Amazon, and it's eligible for return, refund, or replacement within 30 days of receipt. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can enjoy fast and free shipping. In conclusion, the Xmenha Small Invisible in-ear wireless single earbud is a fantastic option for those with small ears, offering comfort, superb sound quality, and extended battery life at an affordable price. If you're in the market for a single earbud, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.